Hey, good morning. It's Jeremiah with Mobility 316. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2014 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT. You can see the key fob here. I can operate both power sliding doors. I'm sorry, the camera's going to be a little shaky today. We got about 20 degrees out here, about 35 mile an hour but 31-inch wide ramp. I can pull it. It's a manual ramp with a power door. Pull it out, just walk backwards here. Super simple to do. You can see I can hold this ramp with just one finger. So it's pretty light, very easy to do. I tell our customers if you can lift a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate this ramp with ease. 56 inches of headroom coming inside the van, and then 60 and a half once we're inside the van. So yes, this van is ADA compliant. It's got these nice third row seats back here. You can hold 3 people. But one thing I like about these seats too, and the rear entry also, is if you're a traveler, you need some extra room for you and your partner, or just, you know, a few people take a trip. Pull here. These seats will fold down, so not only do you have the luggage storage space back here, you can fold them both down, stack a bunch of suitcases or travelware there. So let me put this seat back up real quick. And you got your headrest come up. It's got the rear air vents, got the rear air controls. It's a removable passenger seat, so if you want to put a chair up there and a second chair back here, this will hold up to 2 wheelchairs. We've got a brand new set of high dollar Q strains in here, set of 4 at no charge, and you can see your shoulder harness there. Got your warranty and tie down information there. Got your cup holders there. No cracks or holes in the dash. Steering wheel control so you can keep your eyes on the road. And you got an easy lock down here. You can actually anchor the chair in. You got your easy lock controls there. Those things are a couple $1,000s. It comes at no additional charge on this van. You got your steering wheel controls so you can keep your eyes on the road. Got your plug-ins for your electronics, and you can shut all the power doors up here on the center console as well. I'm going to shut the power sliding door and the there we go, get that one shut. Get those both shut, and then when you've got everybody secure, come back out, just grab the ramp here, back up, and you are ready to roll. You can shut the doors power with the switch inside here, which I'll do just to show you that it works. You've got your roof rack in case you want to do any traveling, extra supplies. Got your tinted windows, got the alloy wheels. All the tires are almost brand new, about 9/30 seconds, so excellent tires on this van. Let's do a walk around. A little scuff down there. Okay, I'm not trying to portray this as a perfect van. It's a very nice van, definitely. I don't see any dents or major body damage by any means. Pretty straight body. You gotta remember it's 10 years old. It's a nice clean van. And no matter who you buy from, make sure you get a video, not just a picture, a video of the VIN number. Why I say that, there's a lot of scammers. Facebook Marketplace is the absolute worst place. About 80% of the ads on there I see are scams. You better be careful. But what you want to do is you want to get a video of this VIN number. And when I say a video, not just a picture, that VIN number right there. I'm going to go talk about this when it's inside. It's warm because it is cold out here. Right, a little warmer in here. But why I say get a VIN number of that video, a lot of these scammers on the Facebook and Craigslist, they're selling these vans. They're just taking pictures of vans off my lot. They're trying to get you to put a deposit down. Once you do, you're never going to hear from them again. So if you were to say to them, you know, hey, Bob or whoever on Facebook, get me a video, walk around to the van and the VIN number. Well, they wouldn't be able to do it because the van's here in Kansas with me, and they're probably in some country, who knows where, trying to scam people. So make sure you get a video of that VIN number no matter who you're going to buy from. And then also what we do with that VIN number, I run a Carfax on every vehicle before I buy it. That's the advantage of buying from me. I'm the owner. A lot of these places, they just have what they call a buyer. They go out and they get paid $200 or $300 every vehicle they buy. They don't care if it's got a clean title. They don't care if it's been in a flood. They don't really care if it's a good vehicle at all. They just get paid by commission. So what do they care? But me, this is my vehicle, my investment. I'm putting my name on it. That's the advantage of buying from the owner. Carfax shows 4 owners, no accidents or damage. It's got some service history on it. Last owned here in nice salt, rust-free Kansas. As we scroll down, Carfax shows no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title. And they show no total loss. So this is not one of the super risky salvage or rebuilt titles. This is a clean title with no accidents. Carfax shows no structural damage, airbags have never deployed, odometer's accurate, no accidents or damage, no open recalls. And as we scroll down, you can see the vehicle has been serviced, like I said, been serviced regularly, been well taken care of, last owned here in Kansas. And it does show that the Oil and filter were changed, air filter replaced, new wiper blades at 85,000 and some change on the mile. So, and no matter who you do business with, find them online, look at their reputation and reviews. Find us on eBay, 1,503 transactions. Every single one of those transactions left us positive feedback. That's 100%. I would say that qualifies for a good reputation. And no matter who you do business with, find them on Google. Make sure they are a real company. Check out our 4.8 out of 5-star reviews. And I hear people all the time, they talk to me about how they bought a vehicle from a private individual, off Craigslist or Facebook. They got scammed, the vehicle didn't exist. They got a vehicle they couldn't get a title for, sometimes because the vehicles are stolen. So if you're buying from a private individual, you better know what you're doing. Or they buy from one of these dealers, they didn't bother getting online and looking up their reviews here. There's some dealers down in the Atlanta area, some up in New Jersey. I'm not going to say them by name. They've got 2 out of 5-star reviews. What kind of vans do you think they're selling? So if you want 2-star vehicles where you might get a flooded vehicle, salvage title you don't know about, one with major frame damage, I'll give you their number. Call me. If you want 5-star vans with 5-star service from a company that's been doing this for a dozen years, I look forward to working with you. All right, another great feature about this van, it's got this remote start here, so I hit it twice. You can see the lights out there clicking on the van. Van fires up, so I'm sorry it's freezing out there today. I'm staying inside as much as I can, but you can see the lights are on, the van's now running. You can actually hear it running as well. Well, maybe it's kind of loud out here, but whether you want to come out to nice defrosted windows, a nice heated up van in the winter time, or you want to come out to nice air conditioned van in the summertime, that gives you the option. Remote start is a great feature to have. And I'm a non-smoker. We've got our power driver seat here, works great. I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors in this van. And if you decide you want to use the doors manually, so you're going to use this for non-emergency medical transport, hit that button, turns off the doors, they slide right open. Super simple to do. And we got our spare tire. You can see it in the pictures, but it's also a spare tire underneath back here, underneath that little board there. It does come with a spare. When I get into officially turn the van on, you can see that tack there is up about 1, so it is running. And I officially turn it on with the key. You can see all the dummy lights. No dummy lights on, there's no check engine lights on, no airbag, no ABS lights. 90,821 miles. Test that radio. See, that radio works just fine. And I've got 3 mechanics that work for me. We check all the power mirrors, windows and locks, heat, air, cruise. I'm going to show you these mirrors and windows moving. Heat, air, cruise, belts, hoses, suspension, steering, brakes. Replace fluids as necessary. Check the tires, take them on a road test. My point is, and I hope you can tell by our videos, I'm even going to show you the back vents moving back there. My point is, we do not just throw these vans at the car wash and put them on the lot. They go through a very thorough inspection before they hit our lot. Underneath the hood, we got a 3.6 V6 engine, idles smoothly. No signs of any damage, no signs of any leaks, and it sounds great. As I get on the ground here, as you can see underneath, very clean. No signs of any bent metal from an accident, no signs of any oil or fluid leaks, no signs of any water damage from being in a flood, no signs of any major rust from being up north and also being in that flood. And that's the #1 mistake people make when they buy a used vehicle. They assume things. They assume just because it looks good in pictures, they assume it runs and drives good. They assume it's never been in a bad accident or flood, and that is the absolute most dangerous thing you can do. So what I do want you to do, I want you to go check out my competition. I don't care if it's a used or it's a private individual, I don't care if it's another dealer, but what I want you to ask yourself is, do they show me the reputation online so I know I'm buying from somebody reputable? Do they show me the Carfax report so I know I'm buying from somebody, or I'm buying a vehicle that's got a clean title, no major accidents, never been in a flood, so on and so forth? Do they get out on the ground and you bother taking a couple pictures, much less a detailed video of the front and back of the undercarriage, so you know you're getting a vehicle that's got a good frame underneath it, no signs of flood damage, no signs of any accidents, bent frame or anything like that. So you know what ends up happening if you buy a vehicle, say, from a private individual and you can't get a title for it? Well, you can't register it. Or if you buy a vehicle that's got frame damage, whether it's from an accident or a flood, well, again, you can't register. It may not pass inspection in your state. If it doesn't pass inspection, you cannot register it. So you just bought a paperweight. So to avoid that, do 4 things. Demand a detailed video like this, not some lazy 30-second walk around. Tell them to get out there and put their heart and soul into it, like I do every single one of these videos. Second, demand a Carfax report. Yes, I spend thousands of dollars a month on Carfax reports, but again, I'm buying from your perspective. I'm the owner. I want a good investment. I want a good vehicle. I pay for those Carfaxes. Don't settle for a cheap knockoff. Third, get online, find out who you're buying from, look up their reviews and reputations. We've talked about this multiple times. Don't be a lazy buyer. Lazy buyers get scammed. You don't want that. And then finally, demand a warranty. Our van comes with a 90-day, 3,000 mile drivetrain plus warranty. Go to any shop in the country. Do not risk buying as is. Demand that warranty. We make sure every single one of our vehicles comes with a warranty, and we stand behind that. So let's get out on the road for a test drive. Okay, the final portion of the video. I like to get the vans out on the highway. Give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states or if you come in and drive this Caravan home. We've done our due diligence. We've made sure that it's roadworthy. Engine strong, transmission shift smooth. I'll pop it up to 70 miles an hour here. See, the steering wheel's nice and straight. No unusual vibration or noise. Runs and drives very nice down the highway. Pops up to about 70 miles an hour. Got the cruise control set. Cruise works good. Keep in mind, we do offer a 90-day complimentary warranty at no additional charge to you. But we do have long-term warranties that cover more than just the drivetrain. So talk to me about how you can affordably protect your investment long-term. Also, keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers, they have a real nice price online. What they have hidden in the fine print, $500 administrative fee. They got document fees. They got tag fees. They got freight, you name it. They got a fee for it. You know what they don't have? Free shipping. So by the time you add up all their hidden fees, by the time you add up the cost of shipping, that real nice price you saw online just jumped $3,000 or $4,000. Not such a nice price anymore, is it? So before you buy, be sure to ask about the shipping and hidden fees, or sit back, relax. Let me take care of all that for you at no additional charge to you. My question to you, if someone's not telling you the real price of a vehicle, if they've got a bunch of hidden fees on the back end to try and make more money out of you, well, what else are they hiding from you? Is it a salvage title? Is it flood damage? Is it major mechanical issues? You know, I can't speak for them, but what I can speak for, and you know this, in any business, being upfront, honest, and transparent is key. If they're not being transparent with their pricing, they got a bunch of hidden fees, there's a really good chance there's other things they're hiding. Be aware of that when you're out shopping. Nice hard brake, no grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration. So again, exactly what we're looking for. And if you'd like to give me a call or a text, here's a direct link to my cell phone, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. I am the owner. You now have a way to reach out directly to me and my cell phone. I want you to ask the competition if they're dedicated enough to customer service to give you a contact to the owner's cell phone number. Or do you just call in, talk to an automated system, end up in somebody's voicemail and never get a call back? Or maybe you do get that live person. It's that super aggressive, pushy used car salesman who's going to call you 5 times a day to ask if you're ready to make a deal. So if you're like me, sick of being treated like just a number by all these companies out there, and you definitely want to avoid that super annoying used car salesman, well, give me a call, give me a text. I'll walk you through start to finish, and I promise you I'm going to sell this Caravan whether you buy it or not. Absolutely zero pressure sales here. For a vehicle this age, we may have financing available. We probably need a pretty qualified buyer, but give us a call, or we can send you an application to your phone or email address. If computers aren't your thing, pick up the phone, give us a call. We're happy to take an application over the phone. Yes, we do take trade-ins, even from across the country, whether standard or mobility vehicle. Call me, I can explain how that works. And if you made it to the end of our video, thanks for hanging in there. I know it's a long video, but I also know it's a major purchase, a lot of information to go through, so I try to be very detailed. If you give us a thumbs up on this YouTube video, it would help us a lot. We'd appreciate that. Give us a follow to see all of our upcoming inventory. And if you'd like to see our entire inventory or detailed videos just like this, free shipping, free Carfax reports, dozens of pictures, and no hidden fees, so you know exactly what you're getting from the most transparent and thorough mobility dealership in the country, check out our website 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. If you ever want to come in, please make sure you make that appointment with us. I know your time is valuable. We don't want to miss you. Make sure you make that appointment. And as always, thanks for checking out Mobility 316, home of affordable mobility solutions, where mobility is affordable Call us today.